Hey y'all, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I finally got some milk yesterday, so I wanted to show y'all my new Keurig again, making a cappuccino with milk. So I think it said you could do either one first, but I'll go ahead and do the milk. Put that in there, put my creamer in. Okay, so I think I can go ahead and click it and get it ready, but I think it has to do the frothing first. This is the first time I've used it with the frother, so I'm still kind of learning. I wanted my coffee in this cup and I forgot to do 6 ounces for the milk to fit, so now I need to switch cups. And now time for the milk. Y'all, I love this so much because you can do just a regular K-cup and you can still make it a cappuccino or latte, and there's even a cold setting if you wanted an iced drink. So I love that. I love that you don't even have to do the milk. You can just do a regular coffee with a regular K-cup. And then it also has a shot option if you want to do a shot of espresso, which that's actually what I should have done for this, for the cappuccino, because I feel like it's not really a cappuccino now since I just did regular coffee, but it's fine. It still tastes good, and I will do the shot tomorrow. But y'all, I absolutely love this, and if you're a coffee drinker, I highly recommend it. Okay, I'm about to start cooking, so I wanted to show y'all the process. This recipe is fairly easy, but it takes kind of a while to make. That's why I didn't make it yesterday. It's the jalapeno popper chicken casserole. By the time I got home from Walmart, I didn't really want to make it because it was going to be like 7:30 or 8 by the time everything was done. So I think it'll make more sense once I show you. So it is a keto recipe, but we're not doing keto or anything like that. I just saw it on Pinterest and thought it looked really good and tried it, loved it. My husband really likes it, so I thought that I would make it again. So I am about to start cooking the bacon. I like to bake it in the oven, so that I feel like takes a lot longer in the oven. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and start the bacon now, and then I need to finish up the vlog that goes up today. Spoiler alert, I did not get ahead on my editing. So I'm going to throw that in the oven really quick, and then, sorry if you hear Daisy in the background, they always wait until I start filming to start making noises. But I'm about to throw that in the oven so I can get that started, and then while this is baking, I'm gonna finish up my video and then come back and do the rest. Okay, so this is that cooling rack I was telling y'all about, and then I just put aluminum foil underneath. That way it will catch the grease, and then all I have to do is just throw that away when it's done. So this is the bacon. I like the Smithfield, and I just get the Hometown Original. That's probably why it takes this a little longer to cook, because I think it's a little thick. Okay, so I'm just going to put that in the oven for about 30-40 minutes, and then I'm going to go finish today's vlog, and then I will come back in here and then cut up all of the jalapenos and the chicken. Okay, so I kept the bacon in there a little too long, so it's a little crispy, but now I'm going to cut up the jalapenos, and I don't like spicy, so I'm going to get all of the seeds out. And so this is what I was meaning. It takes a while. It's kind of just tedious stuff, but it's easy, if that makes sense. Okay, now that I have all the seeds out, I'm gonna just chop them up. Okay, and now I'm gonna cut up the chicken. Okay, I think I should have thawed out more chicken, but too late at this point, so it's just gonna have to work. So now I'm gonna mix cream cheese, heavy cream, and garlic powder. So I did throw the cream cheese in the microwave for about 30 seconds to soften it. And so now I'm just going to mix that together. And now I'm going to spread this on top of the chicken. I'm going to take the jalapeños and sprinkle them on top. And then after you get the jalapeños on, you do cheese on top. So it says do 2 cups, but I'm just eyeballing it. I'll probably put more than 2 cups because I like cheese. And I don't think you can ever have too much cheese. Okay, and now I'm gonna put it in the oven. So once it's done, I will crumble up the bacon and put the bacon on top. So I'll probably go ahead and crunch that up, that way it's done. So whenever it is finished, all I have to do is just sprinkle the bacon on top. So now I'm going to take the bacon and just sprinkle it on top. I might have let it cook too long, but it always makes me so nervous with chicken. I would honestly rather overcook chicken than undercook it. If you couldn't tell, I'm not the best cook because this is crispy bacon. Cooked this too long, but should still taste pretty good. So here you have it. Are y'all tired of seeing me look like this every day? Maybe one day I will put myself together, but I really hope that y'all enjoyed cooking with me today. Sorry I'm not the best cook, but it tasted really good and that's all that matters, right? I did need to make a little bit more of it, but it still turned out good and it was just the right amount for me and my husband. So I will go ahead and leave the recipe down below in the description box in case y'all want to try it out along with the original pin if y'all want to save it on Pinterest. But definitely try it because it is so good, and I probably made everything more difficult than it had to be, so y'all probably have easier ways for everything that I did. But that is going to be it for today's vlog. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me if you would. But that is it for today's vlog, and I will see y'all tomorrow.